Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your CMG Mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in CMG Mortgage, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as cmgfi.com. In my case, it's the first one. And now we are in the official website of CMG. Now tap on Get Started, which is on the top right of your screen. Then again tap on the login button, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And now you will be facing a form asking for your email and your password. So go ahead and provide your email in the text field given for email. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your password correct or not. You can also reset your password if you have forgotten it by tapping on this text that says Forgot Password. Now to log into CMG Mortgage, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you'll be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. Consider liking this video if you did and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help.